Alright, big up on yourself guys, you got Chris Corio here. So in this video I'm gonna be attempting to bleach my hair white. White, right? You know, like white Christmas whites. I don't wanna look like a curry head, you know, curry powder. I'm not into that look. I'm not into it at all. Now I would have tried a salon, but guys, sometimes it's nice to just learn stuff on your own and just do it for yourself. You know what I mean? Sometimes. Yeah. Certain things you need to go salon for, but some things I just want to learn for myself. Particularly because my hair grows so fast. So, okay, let me show you quickly the product that I'm using. I've never done this before, so I don't know if it will work. But guess what? You're watching this video, so it's either of two things you're gonna get. You're gonna learn how to bleach your hair white, or it will be entertainment if it's a colossal fail. Not on good. Alright, so these are what I have. I bought them from Fontana Pharmacy. Hopefully you can see it. This is Decolour Professional Dust Free Blue Hair Bleaching Powder. This is 2 ounces. Hopefully it will do the whole of my head. And this is Decolour Professional 40 volume, or volume 40, sorry, developer. This was 560 plus. And this I think was about 480 plus, and they're both from the same brand, so it should be a nice fix. Okay, so it says take moderate amount into plastic container, mix it. Okay, well I have a ceramic container. Hopefully the chemistry will not be thrown off. It shouldn't. Mix it with peroxide at a ratio of 1:1. So of course 1:1. So I have half a cup. I have a half cup in here. I don't know how much is enough. I just combed out my hair. More, you know. We'll make sure that every piece of it gets all the loving that it needs. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. I have my glove nearby, so I'm gonna use the glove. I only one single glove in the house, and then I'm gonna put one garbage bag on my head. I'm gonna, you know, my shower cap. What's up? You know how long I'm gonna buy a shower cap? I think. This is my shower cap. Alright? Listen, as long as it's not drowning, my God. Anyway, guys. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna have this ready. So, let me come out of my closet. So, I have, as I said, my cup. This is what the powder looks like. Hope you can see inside of it. So it's blue, so I'm filling this. Oh guys, this is quite literally, you can less than half a cup. Backside. I hope it's enough. I genuinely hope it's enough. So this is the less than half a cup. I'm gonna drop back in. So I'm gonna drop a little less than half of this in. Okay, so that's interesting. It just popped up. So, okay, so I wasn't expecting this consistency there, right? And that's a little less than half. I do hope that this is enough. Not bad. In a fumes kind of salon kind of fumes way. Well, already I am deciding that it's not look like a whole. It's not look like enough, but you never know. It might be enough. I'm gonna try it first. Mix it. I think that's enough. Ooh, fumes are crazy. Alright. Go in. So why am I doing this? In my mind, I'm spreading it. Yep. As my hair gets a little bit of wetness, it curls up, which I like. It's cute. But I don't want it to hide away from the bleaching. In this case, bleaching is good, yeah? I like the color that it has right now. It has look white already. Next thing I know, some eyebrow and bleach out. Look, you know, because they're not playing that game. Eyebrow them have to stay black. Okay. Alright. So it's combed out now. Whatever parts did not get a lot of bleach, I think those are just the parts that might just add probably a little bit of depth to my hair. Just take one more look at the back before I put on this thing. Still looks a little. Some areas still a little bit dark. Okay guys, so welcome back. It's been 30 minutes. Let me take this thing off my head. I hope it doesn't look brassy enough. Ciao. I'm gonna make it stay on a little bit longer because it looks yellow to me. It look like curry goat to me. So I'm gonna leave it on for a little bit longer and continue watching my movie, and then I'll come back. Hopefully it'll be much darker. Maybe much lighter. And my eyebrows are still the same color, so we good. This is what my hair looked like after the first go. As you can see, it's orangish yellowish. So I didn't have time to set up my. I just feel lazy. I'm hungry, guys. I'm just gonna come off the road. So what I did, I bought a new pack of basic whites. Well, this is not typical basic white. This is all they had. This is not what I used yesterday, but I'm gonna see if this one will work. This one says moderate, which I'm not happy about, but it's the only one I had. So I'm gonna try this one. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, forget. Put it in now. I've set 30 minutes, but I'm gonna probably leave it for an hour. Oh, by the way, the orangish curry looking hair that you saw before, that was done. That was after 1 hour of sitting on the makeshift shower cap. So yeah, so this is my. I'm gonna wait 30 minutes. I probably wait a little bit longer. It started lightening up already, which is fine. But I do think that this will be the last one. I don't think I'll do it again. You know, I don't. You know, it's starting to look a little white already. And that's just after like a couple minutes. That's definitely whiter. It's definitely white. So I'm gonna now shampoo it out with this shimmer light, supposed to remove the brassiness. And then I'll just end this video with that picture. Alright? Love you.